All right, so next up we have 2 more grow bags for today. And the children, they help Zephania to add in the soil and put in the seeds here. So children, what's in the grow bags?
Lettuce!
Lettuce! Hey! And now let's walk over to the watermelon patch. Mikael and Tino Ket are going to point to where the watermelon seeds have been placed. Yeah, best spot that we can find out here. Best spot. So stay tuned to see our watermelon sprout, shoot out, and vine all over the place, right?
The vine will be growing all down. Well, this is not a good space because she's going to come walking.
Oh, well, we hope no one comes walking through here. But send positive energies our way to our garden. Thank you so much. Start growing. Start growing. You can too. Bye. Until next time.